Okay, everybody, we're going to dive into classes today. So I've got my idle shell open. All I need to do now is come over to here and we're going to open up a new file and we're going to do some classes. So I'm going to call it class car. Okay, class car. I'm going to define the function and initialize this. NIT, initialize it. 1, 2. I'm going to give it some parameters. Self dot brand, not brand, model. It's not a tin of beans, is it? It's a car model and color. Okay, so model and color there. So let's have a look. So I'm going to say self dot model is equal to model. Self dot color is equal to color. Okay, and what we're going to do here, we're going to call it something like my car is equal to car. And then we're going to pass it some parameters about the car that we want to output. So model, let's just call it a BMW. And color, let's call it green. Green BMW. Very outstanding. Okay, so we're going to print out some details about it. So I'm going to use the print command. So print my car dot model. Okay, and print my car dot color. Okay, we're just going to save this. So just click on the file at the top, click Save As. I'm just going to save it onto the desktop as class1.py. Always remember to do your .py at the end. Save it as a Python file. Very important, or else you won't be able to run the file. Click Save. Go up to this Run tab here, and hopefully I'm going to run this. And there you go. So it's a BMW and it's green. Okay, so just stop that there. And this has been a basic class. So okay, everybody, just rewritten this code a little bit, so we're going to add a little bit more onto it. Okay, everybody, we're going to write a little bit more onto this code. We're going to print out some of the details here. So what we're going to do, I'm going to create another little function here with def, and I'm going to call it print info. So we're going to print the info on there. Refer to it as self because it's within a class. Okay, and we're going to use print. Now, I'm going to use the F here, which is the format command. So I'm going to say, let's have a look. The model is, then curly braces, self dot model. Okay. And the next part, the model is, let's have a look. Let's have a look. The color is, the color is, curly braces again, self dot color. Okay, we're going to close that and close it with parenthesis. Okay, and now we're just going to come down here and we're going to initialize this with my car dot print info. Okay, so what we do is we're just going to save this and we're going to run it and see what the output is. Okay, the model is BMW, the color is green. Just exactly what we wanted that. So, okay, that's just about it for this video. Thank you for coming along with me. Please consider subscribing to the channel and give me a like if you like the content, of course. And I will see you again in another video. Bye-bye.